Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is second week of our flow course, and this is the second workshop that we need to build. I will not read through it, but you can find on the description. This is a very simple flow. You need to discuss first if we can do it with declarative solutions or not. Since the user needs simply connect contacts without any account to a dummy contact, we can do it with formulation. But in that case, all users, while they are creating contact, they will see the dummy contact as field. And in that case, they may forget to put the correct account on that field. For this reason, we will not use declarative solution. We will build a flow, and it will be very simple flow, just one element. If you try to build too many elements in a flow, then of course, if your logic is working, that's fine. But as a best practice, we need to build our flow as simple as possible. First, we need to create a dummy account in our UI. So let's go to our app and let's create one here. The account name, we can say dummy account or no account. And we don't need to put anything else because this is not a real account, just for the contacts. That's fine. We will need this page later, so I will keep it. Let's go to Flow Builder. Create new flow. And I will use record triggered flow because if my contact will be created, our flow will update the account immediately. Click on create. Contact object. We need to choose a record is created. We need to set entry conditions for this flow. What's the condition? We only want our flow be triggered with the contacts with no account. So click on all conditions are met, and the field needs to be account ID. If you remember, the contact object has a relationship with account with the account ID field. Let's check that. When you click on new contact, here account name is the relationship between all accounts. So with account name, the field name is account ID, and we will use that field in our flow. And you can use different type of logics, but I will use is null, true. So if account ID will be null, then my flow will be triggered. Of course, if the contact record is also created. And here, since I will not go to any other object or I will not use any actions, I can use fast field updates, which is fast field updates and before save flow. So click on done. Here I need to update triggering record, or you can choose from here, update records. Write update contact account field if it is null. Description: this element will update the account name field with no account, dummy account. Here we don't need to set any filter conditions. We already filtered them through the flow. Here we need to set the fields, which is account ID, and we need a value. We can hard code this value because we only would like to use one account. So this is the account, and I can use the ID here. I can click on done, since this is the only field I would like to update. And my flow is ready. Click on save. Update account field automatically on contact if it is null. This flow will update account name field on the new contact if the field is null. So click on save. Click on debug. You can skip start condition requirements for debug since we will not create a new record at the moment. Choose a contact and run it. As you see, my record is updated and the interview successfully completed. But this is in rollback, so no modification will happen. I can activate my flow now. Now let's go to contacts and create a new contact. And I will intentionally left this field blank. Click on save. Go to details and you see that account is no account. And when you go to no account, you will see contacts as in the related list. My flow is working fine. This is a very simple flow, but don't discriminate flows with if it is easy or not. The most important thing if it satisfies the user requirement. Let's say you are trying to build very complex flow for this business requirement. If it works, it's okay. But for the best practice, try to make it as simple as possible. Hopefully next week on the course, live sessions, we will create very complex logic. So you will satisfy your building complex logic excitements on the live sessions. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to follow more videos, please subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you very much. See you next time.